Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to create custom GPT for personal productivity. Now, open ChatGPT, right? Or the ChatGPT builder inside ChatGPT. So I'm gonna hit apps here on the left side panel. Head over to GPTs in the top right and hit the create button at the very top right. So of course you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus in order to create your own GPTs, right? You can define your assistant's name, upload personal productivity frameworks, and input specific behavioral guidelines. This ensures you never have to re-explain your formatting rules, preferred tone, or goals, right? So define purpose and name, right? Write the system instructions, right? For example, you are hyper-organized personal productivity coach, and the tone should be direct, concise, encouraging, and action-oriented, and break large tasks into subtasks. Always ask me to, for example, talking to GPT now, always ask me to choose the top 3 priority items for the day. Never use more than 300 words in a single response unless I ask for a detailed comment. Next, you can upload your quote-unquote knowledge base. Upload documents that contain your best thinking, scheduling frameworks, or standard operating procedures. Good options include style guides for your emails, time management methodologies you follow like eat the frog or buy back your time, and templates you use regularly. And set conversation starters. Add 3-4 example prompts that show GPT what to expect when a new chat begins. For example, help me organize my top 3 priorities for today, review my task list, and suggest the best next action. Help me draft a polite reply to this client email. And of course, you can enable capabilities, test, and iterate. Always test your GPT in the preview pane before saving it. Keep the privacy setting to only me while you refine its responses to match your actual needs. So once you upgrade, you're gonna be able to basically do all the things that I just said, right? Defining your purpose, write the system instructions, the tone, rules, etc. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.